This visual journey presentation is inspired by the Visual Journey Coffee Table book, initiated and developed by the Municipal Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office. It represents the Municipality of Rodriguez's contribution to the National Commission for Culture and the Arts, or NCCA 2025, showcasing the rich history, culture, and heritage of our community. Montalban is set on the graceful repose between Bulacan, Quezon City, and towns of Rizal. Hence, its name originated from the Spanish words monte, meaning mountain, and alba, meaning white. It symbolizes the break of dawn in Montalban. Thus, it is called White Mountain or Mountain of Dawn. As popular Japanese art philosophy, wabi-sabi, would put it, there is beauty in imperfections. In celebration of the Philippine National Arts Month 2025 with the theme Ani ng Sining, Diwa at Damdamin, the Montalban Coffee Table book stands as a testament to the town's rich heritage. Montalban Coffee Table Book, a visual journey of Montalban, now Rodriguez, Rizal, is a heartfelt celebration of our company's gifts. Montalban's culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from indigenous traditions, Spanish colonial influences, and modern Filipino values. Pamitingan Cave, it is just numerous caves with spectacular formation from the majestic limestone crags of Montalban Gorge. Mount Parawagan in March 1945. The American constructed military supply road on Mount Parawagan in Montalban, Rizal. In Mount Puray, Montalban, Filipino revolutionaries achieved victory over the Spanish army using guerrilla tactics on June 14, 1897. The Filipino forces were led by the General Leserio Geronimo together with General Emilio Aguinaldo's group. General Leserio Geronimo, who grew up in Montalban, Rizal, became a Filipino general in the Revolutionary Army under Emilio Aguinaldo. He is known in the Philippine-American War for his victory at the Battle of San Mateo on December 19, 1899. Rodriguez Ancestral House is a two-story building. The first floor is made up of stone and the second floor is made of wood. Eulogio Amang Rodriguez Sr. impactful political journey began on January 21, 1883 in Montalban, Rizal. Surrounded by the stunning Sierra Madre mountain range, Montalban, Rizal is a haven for nature lovers. Offers a diverse range of recreational leisure activities, making it an ideal destination. Macabud Rice Field epitomizes rural living with its lush greenery, agricultural landscapes, and tranquil atmosphere. Puray Farm, located in Montalban, Rizal, is also known for its lush farms and agricultural initiatives. Home to Thrive Farm in a peaceful rural setting. What makes Montalban Rizal special is the warmth and hospitality of its people.